Hi students, we have a new app. Some of you are using it great and some of you still need to learn how to use it. So I'm going to hop on here and I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to see if we can learn how to use it together. When you log in, you can use Practice Space on your phone, you can use it on your iPad, you can use it on your computer. You should download it on all of the above. It looks like this 8th note here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm sharing my screen from my iPad. I have already purchased a new avatar. Mine is the pink face with the queen crown on there. Yours may still look like the blue bird. After you earn some gems, then you can purchase your own new avatar. The first thing that I'm going to do is up here on the right, it says start a practice. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Start a practice in the green box. I just clicked on it. It says get ready to start a practice. Now on the left-hand side, it has my assignments. If you don't see that, let me know if you do not know how to do that. You need to know how to start your practice app. You need to know how to go in there and find your assignments. So that is video number 1.